na etwa mu na nsa ne na Sofo Owusu Bempah frame me anadwo odi ebufuo frame
Shema akaba bi mfambra Ghana Asem TV eso edi am jeso any promise me na wo ka say die Appiah stadium Exp0se eye odifo anaso Sofo Owusu Bempah na okire mu say nsem a Owusu Bempah friend na oka kire no nebusua ese wani ensa oka kire nsem ka kire wo a enye wo de yembo wura bi onim ko tie nsem a Appiah stadium e relieve e de afa eye Owusu Bempah nebusua oyembe hyew asofo no Ghana no se no mu ye bio se no mu ye bia nkasa se na tese onam a oye se mahama afeli na dede nyina no eye propaganda ni kuro bia no enimu
na etwa mu na nsa ne na Sofo Owusu Bempah frame me anadwo odi ebufuo frame ma camera na hwe manim pa se ma Bahama Royal TV for ama me kwan na makase tia no opani ni the kure be se
we go challenge
Yesu so fagidi ma prophet for na hwe said you musisi ketedru me kwasiada utie mu video so pa atebidi mu video mu ne nsam mo broso
Appiah stadium na mamate se Owusu Bempah ko frɛ no emi se amamuo ne nkoyi no ko frɛ Appiah stadium so na ye mahama ba e no ko frɛ mahama ba se mahama ba yi amamuo no se ni na ekɔ no se ni na e ba bisi ana Appiah stadium ene ne kasa no se so wonim na so oba abonten be ye amama ne boys abedi na tem se Appiah stadium se wasena no obedi Owusu Bempah tempa mu hwe ba bia ayi ne spiritual na ti akono ti enkomo ni yo ti ba bia be free bani wakofra Appiah stadium memma evidence si a ama Appiah wakoti Appiah wo ne wona ye mahama ba because oba abonten abekasa no onim se ye den Appiah stadium be attack no inteni odi nkan akwa Appiah nchen na nkoma akọ kasa boko Appiah nso ante ase oh my god Appiah nso ante ase o Appiah ante ase ana Appiah aba abonten abeti Owusu Bempah to say enkom se no obehye no eyo no Appiah nti no obehye za nkom when it is coming na dia so it is doing you ye dia tie baby
speaker
power na de mobile no e kofem
awurade yankopon honhom ye ne yewo so ene dey ku are se nyamsem wa me nkwa na me yewiase ni anwan
are
Steven we di na
Steven
magbi we minni apa ona bi abusia sana meka so ebita man ka sei ene dey dia ha Damascus na Syria baby etwa yo 80 no
Damascus
ha ye nyame asema bahane zele mo topic no do na e Bible masem memenda na etwa mu na nsa ne na Sofo Owusu Bempah frame me anadwo odi ebufuo
Munti hano di ama na jegezi tiu ama na jegezi aba abonten abeka se amemo no in the realms na ohun ni ye no and Owusu Bempah in the realms ohun ni ye no Appiah ebeteto me say when it is coming ye dey tie tie baby
frame my camera na hwe manim pa se ma Bahama Royal TV for ama me kwan na makase tia no Bible say nkasa ntie mi pa masra no na hwe na wanya medifo bone papa Bempah mi ntimi nkasa ntia wo da tama e bibi na atwam kura na ase be papa president mama esufu daka ennan no kura no e kire madwe ba mani watem na nti se na obeka opambo no ho e ka se president mama be wene na me be ka se tia na me ba ha na speaker mani mo si
me tio pa
Sofo Owusu Bempah preaching was say wa bing na me see isa acrobatic display for na kaya bing na me ka fa se me ka se me see omo commission man bet prophet ba ko te jaguto ma chassie pa krowe e ka sofo a sikasebu da pa eti ko sala no na so da ho sabe no nyan ko kwatenten no afika e die na fom
na mo jiska ho
ya ko tonte nte na Ghana fu
Me metu Owusu Bempah for say onko MPP wati. The omudi baya no ho. Me mehu in the realms you. Mehu in the realms. Adi omudi baya wono. So betie me a ko MPP. Ejebi omudi be gu chemon. Mugabe mukura nyan start you. Afi na Appiah ebet ubenya problem. Makacho message so kwa jewra faye ne free ba omi aho. Ti baby am free ba no me nim dia make me na meka kire mo say ese nu nketi a general na meka kire mo say ese nu nketi be be president oni jire debra ba be kontokwa mahama me meka ni nyina general na meka asase mo ana afi mo say prophecy only no problem mo fa me nim baby am free ba de bi ankofo ne be si atata mo na jegezi kwa lo mayi na free mu dada on de onka mo kura bi de o mo de ba ye wono ho so obetie mi a ko MPP na kono mo bo ho ban. Yes, sir.
Who one man church is sorry demon. Apart at your canubi. The metima can you say, yes, so far. Your way shares out of room, ye in your mere seminar, or starting there. Okay, your mere some power, and so I can be no. We'll see.
Honestly speaking, I actually knew, say, this Owusu Bempah guy, now a friend who saw your software on Namwa, just say. And then na oha ochina na oha and then no oha ochina na oha no meaning pa say this guy was after something. He was after something. Me say as for Ghana has say bro sister I'll show me how should be let me tell you the truth. So 100 emu 80 they don't know what they are actually doing. I'm telling you, they don't know what they are actually doing. It seems like they feel like Obiayebi, so let's also do some. I'm telling you the honest truth. Just imagine this guy portraying himself so yourself for. Yesterday, he was with the MPP. He said a lot of things, and because he thinks like the thing happened, he thinks it was because of him, but it has nothing to do with him. Now, let me take you back to history. So 2016, 2020, he was with the MPP. You remember when he had a problem with this woman, Achina to Agrada? Then Obabonting Ebeka in Sembi. Because of say, Yache no, yen feel because yen son kwasi Asem so. Yen feel inti. No dear who before. I could join a Yuzufono. And then I could join a Yuzufono. On what I say, someone neglecting no. I start to a job. Appiah Stadium now, friend, and I quite Asem Nachen. You should have thought it twice. Say, the guy is not someone you should even trust. So, friend, I can't in the first place because for Appiah Stadium, I can't no. Probability say, "Why you to know his high?" Because that guy, we know him. He's very a con person. You know, he's not someone you should even trust in the first place. But you, and Kasa, you are a snitch because you were in this place. Naturally say, or no, also for no, or the agenda no the nam. It is of quite how say, almost say more neglecting a pet, no pet, quite fast, what than no, see, I know, joy. Our best young come through be saying now, more the back when the bar and moon will be on a den. A strategy, so almost a Kennedy or no, a honeymoon. To wait me, you choose advantage, need the idea, as and the baby would back, but emfa. Then you go on swing you change and fire. The old Kenyan aye, Bustem can and our dream or the once or no that dream age month. The wide dream of form will be two. The wide dream of form one will be two, so simple. Mama, we're in 369 year Juma. Will be two. And that's what I've been telling you guys. Say, Mawino and work it. Man, work it because one man work here before you realize no true condemn our uncle. No true condemn one uncle. So whatever you are doing, make sure you use the 360, especially when it comes to those kind of people and the OA or China will be and the OA or China will be. See, I'm not gonna say or person somebody. I'm telling you, all this thing that he's doing off Appiah Stadium and all happens to be like he has been neglected. Right, so Pambo, they're not in the Kumaswan on Suno Usuno. The thing is that John Dramani Mahama, Ekachera will say, why do you want from Namona and China if you ask him to Owusu Bempah? No more person will use the unit to make a also the man never to a barman and call for our power to a bantu. We are not sure we be to a booty. I don't end there when Namua One kasa no yi wo to wako frɛ we na ubuafu na ono no ka Eeii no Appiah stadium na ubuafu so wako ketena Eeii Royal TV account ho Asem no na wo feel so wo ka che ni wie na then na ebesesa. Is it going to change the fact that you are not someone that you will say a Jewdiana? Because basically no you are not someone that should be trusted. And now baby awokoji oye wo keka nsem hunu de ma ono kwa no ka kire ono kwa se ono nka se mfa ono kwa na nkasa no onim say it is not going to happen. Ono kwa no onim say it's not going to happen. Now let me tell you something you need to understand about this whole situation. You were with me because you went and had a problem with someone. You were arrested, or like police for invited you and all those stars, and I didn't say they should leave you because he had run a year jumano. Ufriano kukudi ubiechi. The paneba na or neglect one. O say ubi what time baby can once and say into you bo. But you people think you have the right to talk about people. You have the right to talk about people the way you want, but you think people don't have the right to talk about you guys because what? I want to understand. Because what? Because what? Because you are human being than those people? Is that what you're trying to tell us? See, go and sit somewhere. Go and sit somewhere because we already know where you belong to. So just be there. You have been exposed. I catch you say these people, Charlie, the earlier you know them, the better. The earlier you know them, the better, because a lot of them are just fake. They are not real. And when got trauma, I won't do second in the name of say, wow, there is nothing he can do to help you. I'm telling you the honest facts. I'm telling you. Alright, I'm saying hi again on Asem TV. You know, as always tells you, whatever is happening in the country, outside, so far as it concerns Ghana, and it concerns the two major political parties and everything that is happening in the country, and the news is bro. But before you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on